Drunk Elephant a scam or not? In today's video, I'm going to show you my first impression on Drunk Elephant. This video is not sponsored by any means, and I welcome you all to my new place. I'm planning to film a house tour, and that's why I was a bit distant and not filming a lot, but I promise you I'm preparing a schedule and I'm going to be there for you soon, so stay tuned for that. I found this glowy kit. So Drunk Elephant has these kits where they sell one item in full size and the rest is miniatures, and the lady there said it would be great if I buy the glowy kit. Simply comes with the glycolic night serum, the Erase Milky Micellar Water, the jelly cleanser, the whipped cream facial cream, and the water facial night mask. The packaging is just bomb. I was pleasantly surprised with the packaging, and here's the deal. What I'm planning to do is I'm planning to use only Drunk Elephant products for the upcoming week, and I'm going to film my before using this and after a week. In general, for skincare, I don't judge within a week. Usually things should work within from a month to 3 months, optimally 3 months. But I want to be a little bit harsh on this because, you know what, this is expensive, you guys. Like this set of miniature is like 70 something euros, which is too much. The plan is as follows. In the morning, I'm going to use the micellar water to cleanse my face, and then on top of it I'm going to apply the cream. So I'm going to be using these two in the morning. At night, like remove makeup and sunscreen with this, and then I'm going to wash my face with the jelly cleanser. Instead of putting the cream, use their very popular serum and add on top of it water facial night mask to my skin. So this is the order I'm going to be putting things on my face. In general, I always use reusable cotton pads, and I'm going to use the Erase Milky Micellar Water from Drunk Elephant like texture. Let's see how that works. This is how much coming off. Okay, so now we removed all my makeup with one reusable cloth and the Milky Micellar Water product. I would say it works. It's so gentle. I'm not feeling anything tingly, and it removed most, if not all, my makeup. This is my skin before using Drunk Elephant. Hyperpigmentation. Around my mouth I have hyperpigmentation. I have textured skin. From the sides here you can see bum. My nose, have a little bit of scarring here and here. My forehead, I have this dark area is from hair dye, but nothing too serious. Step 2, I'm going to use their popular jelly cleanser. I'm gonna take a little bit of it in my hands. It's very transparent. Okay, I'm freshed up. I washed my skin. So my skin is pretty clean right now. You can see how problematic my skin is. Glycolic night serum. Although it's not the night yet, but how do you... I love the packaging of this thing. I have a little bit of a sensitive skin, so I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but let's see what that does. I applied a layer of the serum. This is the cream, the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I'm gonna... massage it on my skin. Lastly, the water facial mask hydrant. I'm not sure from close up. My skin is super glowy right now. So this is day 1 of applying the Drunk Elephant products. I'm gonna happily insert them in my bathroom cabinet and start using them for a week. So today is day 1. I'm gonna meet you within a week. Okay, so it's been you guys 2 weeks. I couldn't actually film earlier. I told you in the beginning I was planning to only test the product for a week, but the issue was I got a major breakout on my face and I wasn't sure whether it's from the product or it's from my internally body, because I also had issues in my bowel system. I thought I would give it a little bit longer to show you the results. Close the light. Probably you can see better without the lights on. But this is my overall skin. As you can see, I have a pimple here, I have 2 here, 1 here. My skin texture is almost the same. So, is Drunk Elephant worth it? That's hard to tell, but honestly speaking, I wasn't blown away. Let me tell you and walk through one by one. Milky Micellar Water, the one they have, is good for what it does, but it's not amazing. It does not justify the price tag on it. I think I'd keep using my Bioderma, Sensebo, Micellar Water, or even the Garnier one. But this is, yeah, it has this milky texture, but it's not perfect. When it comes to the jelly cleanser is pretty good, but again, it wasn't also mind-blowing, which is what you would expect for a price. This is the teeny tiny bottle of it, and this bottle, I mean, I can compare it a lot to the CeraVe facial cleanser. I know, but it just feels like the same texture. It has the same foaming sensation that is not stripping to the skin. So if I would pay for that amount of money, I needed to wow me more, and this did not. And it has, as I said, a feeling like the CeraVe one. So when this is finished, I'm almost done with it, I'm gonna go to the CeraVe right away. As for the cream as well, it goes a lot like the CeraVe moisturizing cream. It's not very different. I'm almost done with it, but again, not justifiable price. I feel that this could be duped really easily with any sensitive skin cream. So yeah, so I wouldn't justify the price of this at all. Well, when it comes to this night serum, it's a glycolic acid night serum. It has AHA and BHA in it, which is really good if you have acne problematic skin or you have hyperpigmentation, which is my case. But at the same time, I would say this is like, that's like, I like it and I can buy it if I want to be fancy, but I can easily dupe it if I use on the daily the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toner at night, and once a week or every 2 weeks I use the AHA BHA mask from the Ordinary. They would both do me exactly what that does. And for 30 ml you pay a lot, and I don't feel that it is mind-blowing, but from all of the products, I think this is the one that is justifiable to pay that amount of money for. And last but not least is the Water Facial Mask Hydration Mask, which you use at night. I liked this, yes. I woke up with my skin feeling hydrated, but also it's really easily duped with the Laneige Sleeping Mask. I know I'm bashing them a lot today, which is super bad, but I had high expectations, and I would say the packaging is really, really cool. If I would repurchase anything, I would repurchase this one, or I would repurchase the vitamin C serum that they have, but it's not mind-blowing that I cannot live without anymore. No, you would use other products in their place and they will do exactly the same thing. And if you're on a budget, totally understand. And honestly speaking, I'm a person who always loves luxury. I love to buy luxurious items, but some things, the price tag is not justifiable, like beauty products and like disposables. These are disposable items. They finish and you need to always and always use them. So I do not invest in them if there is something duping them that is doing as well as they are. I gave Drunk Elephant a try and it didn't work for me. So let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried Drunk Elephant before, if you have a product that you like, if I should give this a second chance, if you think I was using it wrong. I'd love to know your opinion. So I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe for more content. I now upload 2 videos a week. Nothing can beat that. I am doing my best to keep at that promise. Like this video, share it with your friends thinking about getting anything from Drunk Elephant. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.